Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to check your CPU temperature on Windows 10 or 11. Monitoring your CPU temperature is important, especially if you use high-performance application like gaming or video editing. If your CPU gets too hot, it can slow down performance, cause crashes, or even lead to the dreaded blue screen of death. Let's get started. To check your CPU temperature, you'll need a third-party tool like CoreTemp in here. So here's how you install it. Onto your local browser, just search for CoreTemp download, and you should be able to see this is their official website. Or you could go directly in here using this link here, alcpu.com/coretemp/. Then right after, once you're in here, you should be able to see the download button. So simply click onto that and it should go ahead and download this directly onto your device. Once that one is already downloaded, just head onto the downloads folder of your device and install the app. Now, as you can see here on my downloads folder, I have here the file already downloaded. So once it is downloaded also onto your end, just go ahead and double click onto that to open the setup wizard. So this is where it will go ahead and install CoreTemp onto your computer. So I have recently installed this onto my end. So you'll just have to click on next, accept the agreement for that, so that you could go ahead and also download this onto your end. So click on install, and once it is finished, it will go ahead and give you an option to launch the device. So since I have that one installed, I'll just have to search for CoreTemp here onto my search bar. So if CoreTemp will not launch right after you install this, you could search this here. Click onto CoreTemp. Once that one is launched, you should be able to go ahead and see something like this. So the program will open, showing real-time CPU temperature readings. So you'll see the following details: the number of CPU cores and their current temperatures. So for example, if your CPU temperature is around 50 degrees, that's normal. However, if your CPU reaches 80 to 90 degrees, your computer may overheat and slow down. So here are some tips to lower CPU temperature. So you could close background applications, clean your PC, use a cooling pad, replace thermal paste, and check for malware. And that is just basically it. Now you know how to monitor your CPU temperature and keep your PC cool. If you think that this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.